We took a look at the different types of sentences we're going to use in a paragraph, the muscle, the skeleton, and the style. Now we're going to take a look at a sample paragraph and how those different types of sentences come together. Our essential question is, what should a paragraph look like? Now, when we write our paragraphs, we're going to have some specific guidelines that we're going to follow. You don't always have to do this with writing. Not all of your teachers are going to require this. At least in our class, this is what we're going to do. This follows the same patterns as Step Up to Writing if you're familiar with the program, but we're going to use this color coding method to have a good idea about what our sentences are, and that way we know which sentence is doing what job in our paragraphs. In my experience, I found that this really helps a student to understand and make sure that they have a topic sentence, that that's supported by evidence, and the evidence is explained by analysis. So we're going to use this color coding system. First, our topic sentence is green. And remember, our topic sentence is where we answer that question. Our evidence is highlighted yellow, and those are those facts or details that support our answer. And our analysis is red. That's those style sentences that explain how the evidence connects to the topic sentence and where you get to put in your own thoughts, your own feelings, your own responses and emotions and discernments. All that stuff goes in the analysis sentences. So let's go ahead and take a look. This is our sample paragraph. If you take a look, you also have a digital copy of the notes. If you're just watching this on YouTube, you should have a digital copy of the notes that is also linked on the comment section or the description section of this video. But this is our example sentence or example paragraph. And we have our topic sentence at the top. By using skeleton, muscle, and style sentences, a student can write very strong paragraphs. So that's our claim. That's what we believe is the answer to the question that we were asked. Now, when you look at this, we have two evidence sentences. They're both highlighted yellow. Muscle sentences are the evidence sentences of a paragraph. They consist of facts and details. Notice how with this evidence sentence, we actually had two small sentences there. That's okay. Sometimes when you have a piece of evidence, you might have more than one sentence for your evidence. That actually works. As long as they both go together and they're still really just saying that one fact, you can do that. Then we have our analysis where we put our own thoughts. Using evidence will make our paragraph stronger by proving our topic sentence is true. So we said that skeleton, muscle, and style sentences will make strong paragraphs. We gave our evidence, which is the muscle sentences, and then our analysis sentences, we said why we believe that's evidence. We believe that's evidence because evidence gives stronger paragraphs. They prove our topic sentence true. These are things that we know, but we're putting our thoughts there about why the evidence is important. Our next evidence sentences, style sentences, are where the student's own thoughts and opinions are written. Then we have our analysis. When a student includes their own perspective, they can truly make their writing unique and creative. Now, sometimes with analysis, you're going to use more than one sentence. We have good writers will use these types of sentences. When you take a look at that last part, that second analysis sentence really ties it back into the topic sentence. Now, if you're using Step Up to Writing, they want you to have a conclusion sentence that's also green. That's why that bottom sentence there is green. If you're just using it as analysis, you could leave it red. But it is very important to make sure that your last analysis sentence ties in strongly to the topic sentence. If it does that, it will always be a good conclusion to your paragraph. So you don't necessarily need to write a specific conclusion sentence. Just make sure your last analysis sentence is very much tying back that piece of evidence to the topic sentence, and you'll have a good conclusion to your paragraphs. So this is what a paragraph could look like. Now, is this the only way that a paragraph could look? No. But these are the types of paragraphs we're going to practice. As you get better at writing, eventually you'll be able to rearrange this a little bit and build it into your own way. But this is a very surefire way to go through and make sure you have all the parts of a paragraph that you want to have, and to make sure that you have a strong paragraph that you are turning into your teachers. So we're going to use this as our guide, as this is our baseline, and we're going to kind of build off of this model and keep making it better and better and better and better and better.